Hi, my name is Michael Solomon. If you are having a problem with your car and it's letting you down, let me help lift you back up again. We have new cars, new Subarus, new Volkswagens. We have pre-owned vehicles. Let me please help you from wasting all your money, throwing good money after bad on something that you know you should upgrade. I can help. You can reach me at 215-355-8800, extension 111, or at the address 200 West Street Road, Feasterville, PA 19053.